Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Samriddhi, a second year student pursuing BCom honors from PGDAV College, University of Delhi. A few days ago, the placement cell of PGDAV College conducted a 10-day career readiness boot camp in which each day different speakers gave insights on different topics. One of the most amazing sessions of such event was of Mr. Varun that was conducted on 3rd of November on financial modeling. As students, we are often confused like on which line of profession we must choose. Like there are various fields, and we are often confused about which line of profession we must pursue. So it was a cherry on the top type situation in which we got to know about financial modeling from expert like Mr. Varun. Sir, we had an amazing session because we got to know about financial modeling in the most easiest and meaningful way from the very scratch for beginners like us. The way you took life examples and made the basics fit right into our minds is just appreciated. Buckled up with queries, you sorted them in a very calm and appreciative manner. Thank you, sir, again for such a good session. Looking forward to hearing from you again in the future. Thank you.